On September 8, 1900, catastrophe struck Galveston.
"8,000 souls were lost forever."
The storm began in the Atlantic Ocean.
We're taking on water! Man the pumps!
Forecasting systems at that time were still in their infancy. Galveston at that time was the jewel of Texas. But the warning signs had already appeared. Only a few were cautious.
The sea overflowed onto the small island. They desperately searched for ways to survive. Thousands of lives were swallowed by the storm.
Help! I'm slipping! Hold on!
In despair, they prayed for a miracle.
The storm wreathed its peak, a force beyond imagination.
Nothing could withstand the storm's fury. Countless homes were torn apart in an instant. Countless homes were torn apart in an instant.
Amid the chaos, acts of courage shone through the darkness.
Whole neighborhoods vanished beneath the sea. That night, Galveston was swallowed by darkness.
A single wave swallowed entire neighborhoods.
We can't escape!
Galveston was drowning in chaos and despair.
At sunrise, Galveston lay in ruins.
Entire neighborhoods vanished. leaving nothing but splintered wood.
Amid the ruins, sorrow weighed heavily on the survivors.
Once thriving streets lay empty, submerged beneath debris and water.
In the aftermath, the survivors collected what remained, bearing the weight of loss. Communities came together to honor those lost amidst the ruins. Amid the ruins, survivors scavenged for what little could sustain them. Health teams acted swiftly to prevent disease from spreading among the survivors. In the aftermath, efforts were made to prevent further hazards and disease. With homes gone, the survivors clung to life in makeshift shelters. Amid the devastation, they clung to warmth and hope.
We lost everything.
From above, Galveston seemed almost erased from the map.
Estimates reported that 8,000 to 12,000 lives were lost in the disaster.
This was the deadliest natural disaster in United States history. Slowly, the survivors began to rebuild their lives and homes. In the wake of disaster, Galveston built a seawall to protect the city from future storms. Years later, Galveston rose again from the devastation, stronger and wiser. The city paused to honor the lives lost in the deadliest storm in U.S. history. A lasting reminder of the storm that changed Galveston forever.
From the ruins, lessons were learned that laid the foundation for modern storm forecasting.
The disaster was quickly documented, earning the name Storm of 1900.
The Galveston hurricane changed the way the United States prepares for natural disasters.
Today, Galveston stands resilient, a testament to the strength of its people.